Please be seated. Today is the milestone that marks the culmination of all hard work that our students have carried out for almost a year. This is the day that we, the faculty and staff, your parents, relatives and friends, gather with you to celebrate your academic achievement and success. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, to give the opening remarks, let us give a round of applause to our ever-loving master teacher too, Mrs. Angelina Luzon.
To our